bakhokhe kakhulu ngemikhankaso yabo yokufuna izindlu. Ukungena kwabo emihlabeni okungasiyo eyabo kuyaye kuholele empini namaphoyisa. Onyakeni owedlule sekubulawe amalunga 4 abahlali basemjondolo. Le nhlangano ithi amalunga ayo abulawele ezombusazwe.
People are always clashing with the police because the politicians and the officials who are supposed to be addressing the needs of the people hide behind the police.
Kodwa umasipala waseThekwini uyaziphika lezi nsolo. Usola le nhlangano ngokuthela uwoyela emlilweni ngokulokhu engena emhlabeni ngokungemthetho.
When people go into a space that is reserved for something and occupy it without permission, obviously law enforcement agencies must then do what they are trained to do.
Abahlali bona babeka icala kumasipala ngokudlela ndawonye nabanikazi bemhlaba abangasiyo uhulumeni.
Why do we put profits before the lives of the people? Because even those who claim to be owning land and leave it vacant, isn't that being greedy?
Labahlali basemjondolo manje sebethandazela uxolo kanye nokuphela kokubulawa kwamalungu abo. Bafuna nokuhlangana nezikhulu zikamasipala ukuthola isisombuluko salokhu.